Hey, I'm Dave, one of the creators of Reflection.app, and today I'll be telling you about the powerful features that make Reflection.app unique. I'll be showing this to you in our Mac app, but everything I show you today is also possible on iOS, Android, and in our web app. Alright, let's dive in. I'm going to start by creating a new entry. For times when you don't know where to begin, you can tap the light bulb here for some inspiration. Today, I'm going to be using one of my existing templates. This is my daily gratitude practice. I'm going to type in my responses here. I'm going to go ahead and add a photo as well. When I go to save the entry, I'll be prompted to add some tags. In this case, I'm going to tag it as a highlight. I'm also going to tag it as gratitude. By default, all entries in Reflection.app are viewable only by you. Your entries are encrypted before they're stored and they're delivered securely to your device. In some instances though, you might want a bit of extra privacy. So we've added the ability to make any entry private. It blurs it in your journal view and requires an additional passcode to view or edit the entry. In other instances, you might want to share an entry with someone, maybe your friend, therapist, or coach. So we've created private share links. You can find this in the entry options. Simply click the three dots, enable share link, click to copy, and send the link. Anyone with the link is able to view it in their web browser. And if you change your mind in the future, simply disable the link. And when the browser is reloaded, it'll show that the share link has been disabled. And for those times when you want to go deeper, Reflection.app offers a range of guided journaling practices. Each guide is designed to meet you where you are. From our one-off intention and goal setting practices, to our 14-day reflect and reset to help you foster gratitude and reconnect with your authentic self. Through the guides and the entire app experience, our hope is that you can find more calm, more clarity, and ultimately live a more meaningful life. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick demo. If you have any questions, feedback, or ideas, drop us a line. It's hello@reflection.app. Looking forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.